Welcome to the Metallurgy of Iron and Steel Program preview session. My name is Nancy McQuigg and I'm the program manager for this particular program, and I'll be facilitating your session today. The Metallurgy program offered by McMaster University's continuing education has welcomed students for 50 plus years, as it is the only online academic credit-based program in Canada for metallurgy. The Metallurgy program is one of our part-time academic certificate programs at continuing education. In order to receive the certificate, you will complete all 5 courses in the program. We recommend that students begin their studies with MET 450, which is physical metallurgy, as this course is a great introduction to the concepts taught in other courses and as an introduction to the program. Remaining courses may be completed in the suggested order listed here, or you can decide on your own path to complete the program. All courses in the Metallurgy program are delivered fully online. McMaster's learning management system we use is Desire to Learn, and this is the system used to deliver all of our online courses. McMaster has branded it to Avenue to Learn, or A2L for short. The system holds all of the course content, assignments, and grades, and this is the space in which you will learn and communicate with your instructors and peers. The primary design of the courses is to deliver you the readings, instructor videos and lectures, activities, and resources within a weekly content module. A module would start on a Monday, and you would have a week's time to work through the content. This is what we call the asynchronous design, meaning the majority of work in a module can be completed when you wish, whether that would be on the first day the module is released, or you can work through the material a little bit each day. In order to enhance the learning environment for you and your interaction with the instructors, many courses offer live tutorials or office hours. The purpose is to allow you to ask further questions, delve deeper into some topics of interest, and to interact in real time with your course colleagues. Any live session is recorded, so you can listen to this session at a later date and time if you were not able to attend live. These live interactive sessions are delivered using WebEx. Courses are scheduled throughout the year within the fall, winter, and spring terms. Each course will run for 12 or 13 weeks. You should budget about 5 to 8 hours per week to complete your work. However, this may vary to a little more or a little less hours depending on the nature of the activities the instructor has set up for you within that weekly module, as well as when assignment due dates come around. The current program schedule for course fees is posted to our website. The website also includes course descriptions and outlines, so you can visit the site to learn specific details about the program and its courses. For more details about the Metallurgy Certificate program, please visit our website at www.mcmastercce.ca or contact our information specialist today.